Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Want to connect your Bluetooth headphones to your Xbox Series X or Series S? Unfortunately, Xbox does not support regular Bluetooth audio, but don't worry, there are several easy ways to make it work. In this video, I will show you each method step by step. Please keep watching this video. Now I will explain method 1, that is connect using a Bluetooth transmitter. For this first step is get a Bluetooth transmitter. Choose a Bluetooth transmitter that supports your TV, headphones, jack 3.5 mm, optimal audio output or USB connection. Then choose connect the transmitter. Then plug the Bluetooth transmitter into your TV or compatible audio output connected to your Xbox. Then turn on pairing mode. Put your headphones in pairing mode. Pair the devices, then test the audio. Second method is connect through your smart TV. Turn on your TV and Xbox. Open the TV settings. Go to Bluetooth settings. Enable pairing mode. Select your headphones. Then confirm the connection. Once connected, all Xbox audio will be transmitted through your TV to your Bluetooth headphones. Now I will tell about third method, that is called use the Xbox mobile app for party chat. For this, install the Xbox app and sign in. Then go for pair your headphones. Then join party chat. Then start gaming. You will hear voice chat through your Bluetooth headphones while continuing to play on your Xbox. I will tell here some troubleshooting tips. For the first one is make sure your headphones are fully charged. Second one is restart your Xbox console and Bluetooth device. Third one is move the headphones closer to the transmitter or TV. Fourth one is disconnect other nearby Bluetooth devices that may cause interference. Fifth one is update your TV, transmitter or headphone firmware if updates are available. Sixth one is if audio is delayed, use a low latency Bluetooth transmitter for better performance. This last final tip, because Xbox Series X and Series S do not support standard Bluetooth audio directly, using a Bluetooth transmitter or your smart TV is the easiest way to connect almost any Bluetooth headphones. For the lowest latency and the best gaming experience, consider an Xbox compatible wireless headset. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is really helpful. Please share this video, like this video and comment below. Thank you.